Okay, and the next product that I want to talk about is this, which is a Snail repairing gel cream. You heard that right, Snail. This is a gel moisturiser. So it's a really clear consistency, water-based gel moisturiser. And who is this for? This is for all skin types, but specifically those with concerns such as acne, dark circles and sun damage. So, snail mucin or secretion is a growth factor derived from snails. Growth factors are high molecular weight peptides that encourage wound healing and tissue repair. According to an article that I was using as my research from Science Becomes Her, chemical analysis has revealed that snail mucin contains beneficial substances such as allantoin, collagen, elastin, glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid, and natural antibacterials. So this product was actually really pleasant to use. The gel formula meant it was cooling and soothing on the skin, especially after using that Hell Pore mask. The gel was able to instantly calm down that sore red skin.